Hi, I'm Kara with Pike Nurseries, and today we're going to talk about planting peppers. There are so many different types to choose from. First, most people are familiar with your bell peppers. Next are the poblano peppers. They're actually a mild pepper that can be used in sauces and a lot of dishes, and they're kind of like banana peppers where they're super mild and very versatile. Last are the hot peppers. So you have anything from jalapenos to anything hotter like habaneros. If you've grown tomatoes before, peppers have actually very similar growing conditions to tomatoes. Peppers need at least 6 hours of full sun in order to thrive and produce a lot of fruit. If you're going to plant your peppers in the ground or in a raised bed, the first step is to prepare the soil. You want to make sure that you plant a 50-50 mix of vegetable flower soil with your native clay soil. Clay soil is very dense and not very well drained, so you want to make sure that you use this 50-50 to make sure that you have good drainage for your peppers. If you are going to plant them in a container, you want to make sure that you use potting and container soil. We're going to demonstrate how to plant these in a container. You want to create a space in the middle of your container for your pepper. You want to carefully take your pepper out of the container. As you see, they have a vigorous root system, and you want to carefully break up the root system in the bottom and slightly around the top to make sure that your roots get good contact with the soil. Then you want to plant your pepper in the soil. You want to get your Dr. Earth root zone and incorporate this into the soil around your pepper to make sure that your peppers get a good start. Once you have finished planting your pepper, you want to make sure that you water it in thoroughly. You want to make sure that you're watering the base of the plant and not the leaves. Watering the leaves can lead to fungal growth. Peppers need about 1 inch to 2 inches of water every week. It's important that they get consistent water. You want to make sure that you feed your peppers once per month with Dr. Earth vegetable food. Peppers are ready for harvest about 60 to 90 days after planting. With sweet peppers such as bell peppers, you want to make sure they completely ripen on the plant, as they will not continue to ripen once you've taken them and removed them from the plant. With hot peppers, you can actually remove them when they're green, and they will continue to ripen as you have them out on your counter or inside. Another important tip is that when you remove your peppers from the plant, you want to make sure to use pruners and make a clean cut. If you just pull them off, you could cause damage to your plant. And now you're ready to start planting. Please come to any of our Pike Nurseries locations, and a certified plant expert will help you choose your peppers and give you everything you need to get started planting.